jetted this like right before you guys moved in, and the roots grown in that much in that year or the last 6 months, or could have been jetted 5 years ago. Who really knows? So I'm gonna narrate the DVD so you can kind of blabbing, explaining it while I go. So, what's your address again? Your address, 4233?
Yeah.
We're at 4233 Burke Avenue North. The date is 3... 29. The date is March 29th, 2018. I am 110 feet out from the clean out in the basement of the house, and I will be pulling back. This is as long as my camera reel goes, and I will be pulling back from there. Small section of broken pipe at the top there at about 105 feet. Maybe keep an eye on that. Make sure we're not getting dirt in the line. Small section of roots growing in at about 50 feet there. Slightly larger section growing in at the next seam, a couple feet back. Got another section coming in from the top there at 45-ish. Turn at 32 feet. Pretty good section of roots there at 28. Got a tie-in at about 20. Turn with an offset here right after the cast iron. Looks like the pipe is shifted slightly. It's an area of concern. Consider digging that and putting a clean out in out there. This is all cast iron pipe running into the house. And there's your clean out in the basement. Technician is Casey. Signing out.